Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick tool haul from Harbor Freight. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Got a tool haul from Harbor Freight. I actually have the receipt right here. So we'll go over real quick items that were picked up from Harbor Freight. Got some different types of items. This bag. So these two, my wife, I don't know why I said it that way. My wife asked me while we were there if she could grab these. I told her, sure, go ahead and grab them. She wants to check out this 200 feet of jute twine. She has her reasons on why she wanted the twine. She's more than likely going to be using this for her garden. We did get like a 4,000 foot spool of twine from Home Depot. And this bag right here. Come on, there you go. Got the bag out the way. Alright, so I did pick up this 12-inch basin wrench. I've gotten use out of just using other items like vice grips or even specific types of pliers. But these are to help you remove sinks or faucets and a few other things. You can use these for lots of things. I ended up picking up, it was not very expensive. I picked up this mallet. It's got a hard rubber side and a plastic side, I believe. I picked up this Icon scraper set. It says has 10 single edge blades included. Handle feels pretty nice. Figured I'd give it a try. This will probably help in hard to reach areas, like on diffs, trying to get, sealant off of, diff housing, stuff like that. I did also pick up this T-handle tap ratchet wrench for 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch taps. I use taps and dies a lot. I've been eyeballing this thing for a while. It does ratchet both directions, which is kind of nice. You can also lock it in just like a regular ratchet. But it's nice that you could just twist it. And the tap and die set that I have, it comes with just the single handle. But the handle is only like this big in length, and it's not as wide as these guys. These you can actually, they have ball detents on them. So you can actually lock them in, and you can actually put them like that, so it's longer. So I figured I'd give this one a try. I've been eyeballing this guy for a while. This was 20 bucks, I believe. And I also picked up, whoa, I dropped her twine. I also picked up this 4-in-1 quick change multi-head hammer. This is supposed to be a couple different style rubber heads and a plastic head, I believe. I purposely, when I went to Harbor Freight in Casa Grande, and then this one was in Mesa, I was actually looking for these. I picked up 3. That's the last 3 they had. When I called them, they said they had 4. And it looked like the 4th one got stolen because while I was on hold, The lady came back, said she had 4. She transferred me to a manager because they told me that they wouldn't hold an item at their store because they're the most popular store, blah blah blah. I asked the manager, I have to drive 70 miles out of my way where I'm at the moment to come get them. Is there a possibility that you guys can hold them for me? And when she came on, I explained it to her. She said, all we have is 3 now. The other one must have gotten stolen while you were on the phone with my employee. Now, I lost this unit. I can't find it. It's supposed to be in this orange electrical cart. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 of these in each vehicle that I have, just to have. If I find the 4th one, well, that one will stay in the toolbox. But these guys are pretty handy. I did show them in use in a 2000 4Runner trailer harness diagnostic set of videos. These work really well. Just wanted to pick a couple up. And then I also got this 30 amp automotive fuse circuit tester. Test circuits at the fuse box, read circuits, amperage draw, easy to read LED display. I figured this would be a nice tool to have in the arsenal. It is a Sentech. I've had pretty good luck with the Sentech stuff. Works pretty well for me. Testing range 0 to 30 amps. Resolution is 0.1 amp, which would be 1 milliamp at the lowest. Accuracy is plus minus 2% of reading, 27.5 inch testing lead. Overall dimensions 3 inch long by 1 1/2 inch wide by 5/8 thick. Takes a 23A alkaline battery, which is right here. It's included. Didn't grab a lot of stuff, but some of this, you know, I've been picking up icon stuff here and there. I do like the icon handles. They are very comfortable for some of the items I do have. I figured it was time to pick up a couple of these style hammers. This one right here is a lot lighter than this one. This one's actually pretty heavy. This one is, it's a Pittsburgh soft face mallet, item number 69048. The basin wrench is item number 91958. The icon item, which is this professional scraper, is item 57099. This guy right here, the T-handle tap ratchet wrench for 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch taps, is item 97633. This one right here is quick change multi-head hammer. It's another type of mallet. This one is 69093, and it does have a lifetime warranty. These little Kenway 4-way trailer light testers are 64871. Be nice if they came out with a 7-way round trailer light tester. That'd be nice. And the Sentech 30 amp automotive fuse circuit tester is 67724. Everything here cost $91.95 of what I grabbed. 2-piece glass scraper. Scraper set was $14.99, which is, I believe, the icon. Yeah, it's the icon. 12-inch basin wrench was $5.99. This is $5.99 right here. 4-in-1 multi-head hammer. This one right here was $5.99 as well. 200-foot jute twine. They were $1.99. Grabbed 2 of them, which this one is part number 368322049. 30 amp automotive fuse tester. This one right here was $15.99. The T-handle tap ratchet, this guy right here, was $19.99. So this is the most expensive item I purchased, which is this guy right here, which is actually pretty heavy. The 1.5 inch soft face mallet, or 1.5 pound. This one is a 1.5 pound. It is pretty heavy. Soft face mallet was $5.99. So both of these mallets were $5.99. The 4-way trailer light tester were $3.99 a piece, so $4 a piece. Came out to $84.89, $7.06 in tax. And this was at the Gilbert Road store, which is in Mesa. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick little tool haul of what was picked up. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, seeing everything that was picked up. I will definitely be doing a quick unboxing on all these items, which you know, most of these items are pretty easy to get out of the box. The icon's going to be a little bit tricky to get out the box, but we'll get it out of the box quickly. And the twine, I'm just going to give to my wife. I'll probably do the unboxing video, and I'll just show them in the video. But that's all I got for you guys today. I do plan on picking some other icon stuff. The Harbor Freights around me do not have the digital icon torque wrenches yet. They don't even have some of the new tools that are coming out. They don't have any of the other icon things that were mentioned. I can't remember offhand yet right now, but if I remember them, I'll just let you guys know in a different video. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Also, top of the description below, I do also have a Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off my next order from ulsatools.com when you use them, which if you use it, it's much appreciated. All links are affiliate links. I do get a small commission off of them if you use them. I appreciate all of you guys, all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, the people that comment, the people that come to the live streams, the people that give super chats on the live streams. If you've sent me money through PayPal, that's linked to my channel, it's much appreciated. All the money that the channel makes, no matter if it's from PayPal or Patreon or super chats or, you know, the memberships, I do have memberships. All that money goes straight back into the channel, so if you use any of those things, it's much appreciated. None of this was bought from YouTube money this month. I'm saving that money up to get some power tools for the channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully I'll be getting the Flex hammer drill and the impact driver combo kit before the end of the year. This is 2021. It is August 21st. I'll be picking that up for the channel. We're going to do testing and stuff like that with it. But that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I know this has been a little bit longer tool haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!